my young friends. Come, sit close. I have a special story to share today. It's about a little girl who learned that even small actions can make a big difference. This is the story of Ellie and the Paper Promise. Ellie was a cheerful little girl who loved to draw flowers, rainbows, and her favorite smiling trees. Every day after school, she sat by the window with her box of crayons. But whenever she made a mistake, she crumpled the paper and tossed it away. Soon, her room was full of colorful wasted paper. That night, something magical happened. Ellie dreamed she was standing in a glowing green forest. The trees were tall and kind, but they looked sad. One of the trees spoke softly. "Ellie, do you know where paper comes from?" Ellie thought for a moment and said, "From the shop?" The tree smiled gently. "No, my dear. Paper comes from us, from trees like me. When you waste paper, you waste a little part of us too." Ellie looked around and saw the forest floor covered with crumpled sheets, just like in her room. The trees whispered together, "Please remember us, Ellie. Use every sheet with care." Suddenly, Ellie woke up. The morning sun shone through her window, and her crayons lay scattered across her desk. She looked at all the paper she had thrown away and gasped. "I'm sorry, trees," she said. "I promise I'll do better." From that day on, Ellie made her paper promise. She used both sides of every sheet, shared extra paper with her friends, and even created a little Save the Trees corner in her classroom. And whenever Ellie saw a tree, she smiled and whispered, "Thank you for the paper." Ellie's promise supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and Goal 15, Life on Land. When we save paper, we protect trees. When we protect trees, we help our planet stay green. Every sheet of paper is part of a tree. Use both sides before you throw it away, because even small actions can save the earth.